By golly, that's the answer. That's why it's happening. I gotta go.
Sheriff Caillou, can you tell me why Dr. Doofenshmirtz called another meeting?
I'm not sure, Mayor Brian. I think he said something about all these little earthquakes.
Hello, Mayor Brian and Sheriff Caillou. I figured out what the earthquakes are being caused by.
Okay, what?
It's a volcano! Dun dun dun!
A volcano? In Volcanotown? That doesn't make any sense.
Well, that's the truth.
Wait, I'm confused. How did this volcano get here?
You see, this volcano, our beloved Mount Volcano, formed on Earth millions of years ago. It all started here, in the mantle, where heat and pressure caused rock to melt. That rock went up to the crust, and then onto the surface. When it got to the surface, it became lava. The lava, or magma, brought rock from the mantle and from the crust and built up a huge mountain-like structure called the volcano.
Oh sure, if it was a volcano, wouldn't we have noticed by now?
Actually, volcanoes can be dormant for millions of years at a time.
Hey, I have an idea to stop it.
Great, what is it?
Let's get the entire police force to shoot at it. Pew, 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 pew,
Caillou.
pew, pew, pew,
Caillou.
pew, pew,
Caillou.
That's me.
Caillou, your idea stinks.
Oh. But don't we want the volcano to die?
Caillou, volcanoes aren't alive.
Oh.
So is this thing gonna erupt soon?
According to my calculations, the volcano will erupt in exactly... Uh-oh.
How long? How long, Doofenshmirtz?
6 minutes ago. Oh, no! Sorry about that, guys. I got it wrong. It's 6 minutes from now. Wait, where is Caillou?
I don't want to die. I have too much to live for. Like, I don't want to die.
Caillou, don't be such a baby. You're like a kid who's 4.
Hey guys, remember the big volcano that might kill us all? Mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor, and gas are being or have been erupted from Earth's crust?
Oh yeah, we should probably do something about that.
Sheriff Caillou.
Bob, what is it?
It's Billy. I can't find him.
Okay, when was the last time you saw him?
At the mountain during one of those earthquakes.
Can you give me an exact location because you aren't really helping here at all?
Bob, why don't you come with us? We're headed toward Mount Volcano. Maybe we can find them.
Why do we need to go over there? Can't we just stay here where it's a little safer?
No, Dr. Doofenshmirtz, it's right. We have to warn all those people.
Whose idea was it to build downtown right next to the volcano anyway? Dun dun dun!
Sorry, that was me.
Okay, let's go.
It's a lot smaller than I remember.
Okay, be careful around the volcano. Lava can reach up to 1,250 degrees Celsius.
So it's hot?
Yes, I would think so. But really, it's all just personal preference about what hot is.
Okay, it's time to let everyone know what's going on. Hey, citizens! There's a volcano that just might kill you.
Dang, it didn't work. Okay, let's go find Billy Bob.
Okay, let's go. Oh, and just a little fun fact. There are 3 types of volcanoes: shield, cone, and composite. Our beloved Mount Volcano is a cone volcano. Wait a second, I almost forgot to tell you all. I'm pretty sure that our beloved Mount Volcano is a super volcano. A super volcano is any volcano capable of producing a volcanic eruption with an ejecta mass greater than 10 to the power of 15 kg. So it is very dangerous. Dun dun dun.
Thanks for letting me know, man.
You're welcome.
Billy!
No.
Eve.
Okay, can we go now?
Of course.
He's waking up. I think he had a bad dream.
No, Bianca. I want the potatoes fair and square. Wait, what? Where am I? Why is everything shaking as if a volcano is erupting?
That's because it is. We need to get out.
Should I just pour some in? I'm gonna just pour some in.
Yeah. Pour some baking soda in.
You better come out, Paul. She is really struggling.
Here, get the vinegar.
Yeah, I
Pour a whole bunch, so it can just erupt all at once, so we can run.
Put some more. Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, no, it's just going.
That's good. Yeah.
She's
Oh, there
really
we go.
going. She's beauty, she's grace.
Okay.
Dude, we're safe.
Too bad everyone else died.
After a volcano erupts, we should expect a loss of organic life, many natural disasters such as flooding, or more earthquakes, and more lava. Bloopers!
I'm flying.
Hello, Mayor and Sheriff. I figured out what the earthquakes are being caused by.
Okay, what? A volcano!
No, that's my line!
Oh!
I was gonna...
A volcano? Is it? A volcano?
It's still your line.
Oh!
Well, that's the truth.
It's my line!
Oh, sure. A volcano. Oh, sure.
Actually, volcanoes can be dormant for millions of years at a... I was about to say teenager. I don't know why.
Your leg. I can see your leg in the shot, Cheslin. Move back.
I think it's good that we
Spread
kind
your
of...
legs wider.
Oh my god. I think it's good that we... Okay. 3,
Oh my god. Wait, move
2...
the Riddler. He's
No,
not-
I want him there. I want him
dying.
there. I want him there. It's
He's
funny.
literally
It's funny.
dead.
3, 2... Stop bouncing him so much. 3, 2... Let's go. Oh, I wasn't even recording ever. That was a good one
You
too.
want to throw the bean again?
Yeah, you can throw the bean again. Okay, let's start over. It's Caillou. That's her.
Yeah.
According to my calculations, the volcano. That's you again, Cheslin.
It's a lot smaller than I remember.
Sorry about. What am I doing? Restart.
Smaller than I remember.
Okay, remember to be careful around the volcano. Lava can reach up to 1,250 degrees. You want to do that again?
We're
Yeah.
safe.
After a Well, it turns out that our beloved volcano, Mount Volcano, is actually a volcano. The volcano formed a long time ago on Earth, starting in the mantle. In the mantle of the Earth, pressure and heat caused rock in the mantle to melt and become magma. The magma slowly made its way up to the crust. Just a little fun fact. There are 3 types of volcanoes: shield, cone, and composite. Our beloved Mount Volcano is a cone volcano. Oh, and I almost forgot. Dang it.